It's Friday. It's time for Slot Car News. You like the shirt? I get a lot of comments on my shirts. Bill Thomas, where is it? BillThomasMotors.com. You want a cheetah shirt? Go to BillThomasMotors.com. Tell them Dave sent you, just because. Friday, Slot Car News, sponsored by LEBHobbies.com. LEB Hobbies, racing fast, made easy. Visit LEBHobbies.com. Good Friday morning, everybody. How's it going? So, decided to move the light up a little bit so you can see the rest of the incredible mess here in my office. Anyway, before I get started, thank you very much to Sean. He had this Oscar car in his collection and decided to send it to me. I really can't thank you enough. It's incredible. I'd seen a couple of these, but I don't have any of them, so I really appreciate it. These they were released years ago. Oh boy, look at this thing, McLaren M8. I really can't thank you enough, Sean. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And thanks to everybody that messaged me and wished me happy birthday. I just turned 51 a couple days ago. Yeah, feeling every bit of 65. Okay, we're going to get right into it. RSR kit by Scaleauto. I've been showing pictures of this car for quite a while now, and as you can see, this project has moved along pretty rapidly. It is going to be available soon, I would assume, here in the US. Yeah, looks like a great car. I probably will pick one of these up. I try not to buy many slot cars these days because I got so many in my collection. Anyway, next, Avant Slot Subies. Scooby Dooby Doo, two beauties. Red Bull and a Pirelli Staffs UK was showing these on his Facebook page, and I figured I'd include them here. I assume that they're going to come to the US. I believe Great Traditions is the distributor for those. But, you know, any dealer could get these. These rally cars, I actually think, because of the liveries on them, because they're Subarus, I think they might sell even though they are rally cars. Don't hate me because I said that, please. New Fly BMW M1 photo. This project also moving along quite rapidly. It looks like there's going to be a pro version of this, I believe, as well. Again, John Grizzle pointed out I had forgotten about this because I never got one of these the M1 Pro cars. Fly had done the Pro cars years ago. Thank you very much, John, for pointing that out. And yeah, so new Jaeger BMW M1 by Fly looks cool. The latest Policar 312B2 will be coming fairly soon. Trust me when I tell you, if you see a dealer advertising these on a pre-order, you're going to want to get these through that dealer. Carrera, sort of, yes, Carrera, is making two more RX-7s. I think I had mentioned these before from the Initial D, the anime series. So these, again, are, as far as I know, Chinese-only releases. If I get a link to the store on AliExpress that's going to sell these, I'll post it in a subsequent video. You can always hit me up at my email address, slotcarnews@yahoo.com. Also, if you're interested, I don't have the link for these yet, but I assume I'll be able to figure out where to get them, and I'll pass the link along to people. I make no financial whatevers with that link that I don't have. Next, just a note about the Policar and Scaleauto catalogs. I am going to have a video that I do that puts both of these together, and it's going to be like a page by page video. I'm not going to talk in it. I'm not going to announce it or anything. It's just going to be there. Each page of the entire catalog, both catalogs on one video. I'm going to do that as a separate video. I'll post that as well, probably later today or maybe this weekend. So that's coming as well here on my YouTube channel. One final note, and this has nothing directly to do with slot cars, but it has everything to do with slot cars. Raw materials, shipping, all from China. It's becoming a lot more of an issue. I've heard from several people in the business, in the toy business in general now, as well as people from companies that raw materials, they have been told by the manufacturers that they use in China have gone up quite a bit. Also, shipping is recently going up quite a bit. There's evidently an issue with the lack of containers available in China. I don't know. I'm just passing it along. So expect there to be a short-term rise in prices because, this gets passed along to the consumers because, businesses can't absorb all of the costs. They have to pass some of that along because they're businesses, not charities, of course. So just word to the wise that, expect a short-term rise or a rise in prices in the short term. Will it go back? Probably not. Prices usually don't go down once a price on something has gone up. Simple capitalism. Anyway, thanks a lot, folks. I appreciate all the likes, all the shares, and again, all the birthday wishes. Thanks. There's been a whole lot of people that have contacted me directly. Thanks, Ian and Ray and Jurgen and just a lot of people. Christian Tesseman, everybody. I really appreciate it. And see you all again soon.